Hi Aries, welcome to Happy Soul Journey. Today we are going to do the 3-month reading, April, May and June. So it will be really exciting. It will help you to to know what kind of decision you can make and what kind of opportunity and obstacle will come, so you be ready for it. And someone, I have heard somewhere, I don't know where, but it's like prophecy is for the things like when something comes up you can recognize it. Okay, so prophecy is only for that thing. After that, what you do, it's all up to you. Okay, so let's do the reading for Aries. Co-create is the first card. Theme, which is very amazing, Aries, and higher power is under deck. So with higher power, Aries are going to create a lot of stuff, but for that I'm seeing like you need to be very fast in your approach, and Aries like it because I'm an Aries. If you don't know, we like things like, if we someone say that, do this and stuff, and you'll get what you want, we will just do it like this, like let's just do this and get done with this. So where you need to be fast physically and fast mentally, so wisdom is also required there, but new beginning is very on the cards. Okay, if you can see this egg is talking about the new beginning, this egg, and this one is a big egg. Okay, and I'm seeing a cheetah feeling here in this egg also, and this here, this cheetah is here also, but there is some cheetah thing here in the egg, on the egg also. One more thing I'm seeing and I'm feeling like you are going to get the help from the places you never expected. I'm feeling that thing. And I'm also feeling a stability. With new beginning there will be a stability also, so that is something rare. Broken heart. Okay, so in love aspect, maybe your heart was broken by someone, or some relationship was broken, something was, or you had a broken heart in another aspect of your life. It could be a career, your dream job, or something which you wanted in your life. You were broken heart, but 9 number is talking about, if you can see the 9 number is talking about the ending of that phase. Okay, and strategy. So it's time to strategize and work on that. And this feather is giving me a feeling of angel. And here also I'm feeling you're going to get the help from the places you didn't expected. Here is also 4 number, and 4 number suggests of the stability. It suggests of discipline also. So with the for stability you need to be disciplined enough to give your best, so that universe can give you the best. Okay, ring and dog. Okay, 3 cards. Ring, bouquet and dog. So I'm feeling this is some commitment. Okay, but along with that, this is more of a love thing which is coming here, that you are going to go on a date, or someone will propose you a commitment, and that person will be very loyal to you. Whomsoever will give you this flower, this bouquet, that person who is bringing you this flower is very loyal. Okay, and very friendly, and they are very innocent and childlike, because this is a puppy. Okay, so I feel like whomsoever is there, a commitment is coming towards you, Aries, and which is very good thing. For most of you it is love commitment, but for few of you it could be a creative project in which you are going to get, this is definitely a date thing. Garden is definitely a card of date for me, so you are definitely getting a card of dating. Okay, now let's have the 9 card spread for 3 months, Aries, for you. Woo! So the dating is very near. It could be by the end of April, or you are already planning for that thing. Okay, that a date with someone kind of stuff. You're already planning for that thing, and everything is very hunky-dory. Okay, but there is a spot which which is a little bit of negativity is also there in your heart, like a fear or fear of disappointment, like whatever you are planning, it will go according to a plan or not. And this is a major arcana, so this could be a disappointment from the universe, that you have a fear that maybe universe will not help you. Maybe universe will not help you. But one thing I would like to say, that if a sun is there, then no matter it is upright or it is reverse, I feel this is like time to grow, and universe will help you. This is time to come a full circle, and time to grow up enough and mature enough to know that you deserve happiness. And it will not, something will not happen to ruin your happiness and your good plans that you have in your heart. Okay, so there could be a tinge of disappointment, but whatever you are planning and whatever is happening, I think it will go good. Okay, it will go good. But there is internal battle. That's what I was talking about, that there is internal battle, Aries. And it is not external. Nothing is happening external. 5 of Wands is the internal stuff. Okay, and you shouldn't you shouldn't go to the 5 of Wands, but sometimes 5 of Wands is very, very necessary to reach the 6 of Wands, like winning the war. So maybe you are not winning the war in April with your mind and with your heart, but you're on your way. Okay, and I think universe will help you to understand your emotions and understand that things will go all right with you. Okay, a lot of stuff is coming to your mind, which is a lot of stuff is coming into your mind about the past, about the things that you cared about the things that you got out of the past that you have right now, and you are concentrating on those things very carefully, very, very carefully. Or it could be someone in your life, but I am seeing that wherever you are looking at, in whichever direction you are looking, someone is there to support you and understand that why you are doing something, and they are your back. They have your back. These two people are very mature and they have gone through a lot, and I think that things will go very, very right for you, Aries. Okay, so in May I'm seeing some kind of communication or some kind of traveling could happen. For few of you, maybe these are the two parts of your own personality where you are recognizing the abundance in your life, and you are seeing the past and planning about the future. So that is what is here. Okay, let me pull 3 more cards and we'll explain more about this. Okay, so let me do that. Ooh, okay, Aries, you're going to reach the 6 of Wands in the June. Congratulations and celebration. So that's what I was talking about, that you are on your own way. Okay, May will be little bit of busy thing. A lot of things will happen, a lot of plannings will happen, a lot of communication will happen, a lot of things will happen which maybe you already knew about it, so you are very, very calm about it, but this is handful of, because both the hands are filled with it. Okay, so whatever is happening, it is a lot, but you knew that you know, when things will happen, it will happen like this, like a lot. So in some ways you are very much ready, and you will reach the feeling of Six of Wands in the June. And yeah, I'm very, very happy, very, very happy. Ooh, this was a little bit off guard. Okay, don't ruin it, and don't let any other person ruin it. This is going to be very happy moment in your life, so don't let anyone, not even yourself, ruin it. Okay, because you know, I feel, even if in this situation of Six of Wands, where you're feeling, where you are winner, there is something in your heart, you know, still, because you are looking at the past, and past consists of the Five of Wands. So there's still something which is inside you, the internal battle of maybe the future, that what will happen in the future, how things will turn, what will happen, this, that, a lot of questions still lingering here. But don't do this with yourself. No, 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 Aries, don't do this. Let me pull the last card. Whew. Okay, so this was good. This was good. Universe is giving you a hand, helping you out to understand and change your situation for the better. And this is going to be like the change which will come now. It is going to be fixed in a way, I feel. And it will give you a lot of wisdom and a lot of satisfaction and a lot of directionality to your life. So whatever is lingering or will linger, be careful of it. Okay, be mindful of it. New beginning, that's what I was so you know. See, universe wants to give you a lot, co-create. Okay, but there is something broken heart, like you are not liking something maybe, or you didn't like something in the past, or you were hurt about something and you wanted something to be different. But you know, universe know the best for you. So don't keep the burden of the past with you. Whatever you are having a lot. You know, you're very fertile, you're having a lot on your plate, and it is a good stuff, not bad stuff on your plate. A new beginning, Ace of Pentacle in your hand, and someone who is going to put in the Ace of Wands. So it could be a love situation, definitely a very sexual connection also I'm seeing here. Because the way I feel this King of Wands looks at you, like this person adores you, you know, adores you. Maybe you don't see that how much they love you and how much they like you. For a few of you, it's not, if it's not love, it's like strong liking, you know. And few of you can be engaged or get married in this next coming 3 months. Maybe you you know, when this person for few of you, I'm feeling like when this person will come up with the idea of marriage, you will feel a little bit of hesitation. Okay, and it will linger for a little bit more time. But I will suggest you, don't let it happen. Don't block your heart because of something absurd in your mind. Definitely, whatever it is definitely absurd. It is not baseless. Like, there's a difference. Like, something happened, that's why you have that kind of thinking. Okay, but that thing will repeat itself again. That's not a guarantee. Can you give that guarantee? No. You can just be fearful of it. And what will you get out of getting fearful? You know why this Sun card came reversed? Maybe you need to see that this is what's coming. You need to see that this is the positive thing. Whatever is happening, it's good. And you need to take a chill pill, baby. So co-create with the universe, because universe wants to give you whatever they wants to give you. Universe wants you to take it like a cheetah, like very fast shifts in your life. Whatever is coming, do this, but with a strategy, of an owl, with the wisdom of an owl. Okay, so that's that, Aries. That's your 3 months reading. Okay, lastly, I want to pull this card and then we'll wrap up. Okay, guidance card is coming for you. So I already given you the guidance that, you know, that universe will guide you. So trust that. Co-create, okay, and you will know the truth when it's time. I know you're a little bit of like this, but everything will be clear. So for time being, let it be unclear. Enjoy it like a child. Don't think about what's going to come tomorrow. You know, I have a nephew and he's very happy. He remains happy with the moment. He don't think about what's, you know, next. He don't have to, maybe, but even if he have to, he cannot, because child don't think like that, you know. So there's a faith, you know. Sometimes what happens, he just jumped out of the bed and he thinks like, you know, someone will catch me, because people around standing here and you know, they will catch me. So he just jump. You know, the faith that he has is just unimaginable. Sometimes he get like, you know, sometimes he get hit, sometimes he cry, but sometimes he feels very, very adventurous. Like actually we catch him sometimes. Yeah, we say that, you know, don't do this, but he cannot understand what we are saying. So he do whatever he wants to do, but it becomes adventurous, become fulfilling. It becomes like very free, you know. And even if sometimes he get hit by something or something happens, he don't keep it to the heart and just, you know, just take few seconds, like some minutes, and he'll okay, and you just forget it. And that's what I want to tell you. Okay, so if it helps you, let me know, Aries, and if it makes sense, definitely comment below. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And on this note, I'll take a bye, and we'll meet soon with a new reading of May 2021. Okay, after I will complete these 3 months reading for all the zodiacs. If you want a personal reading, my email ID is in the description box below, or the other information is in the description box below. Go there and check that out. Okay guys, bye.